Alright, so here we are in the kitchen, and I'm about to make a hood meal. I wouldn't call it a struggle meal, but it's a hood meal, and it's with real basic stuff. So here's what we got. We got some chunk white chicken, minced garlic, some jerk seasoning. It's mild. I have never used it like this before, but I mean, this jerk, what's gonna happen? It's not gonna be bad. Then you got some Maruchan ramen noodles, two habaneros. I probably should have ate these already. One onion, and some baby spinach. And don't forget your black pepper. So, these motherfuckers out there, straight up niggas out there right now, in this world, getting like some fucking pizza pockets and some shit, thinking like, oh man, I'm eating good tonight. Like, no, my nigga, you need vegetables and all that good shit. And I'm gonna cut this onion over the camera real quick. Take off a layer. I can't see the camera at all. I hope I'm not fucking it up. Yeah, you could use this, but I'm gonna toss it. Toss that shit. Get your motherfucking ramen out. Oh, for the record, this right here, this is a fryer. And already boiled 2 eggs. It's still hot. God damn, that shit hot. What the fuck? Ooh. So yeah, the ramen's going in. Say you're supposed to cook it for 3 minutes, but I don't know about all that shit. I don't like have a timer offhand. The flavor packet, I mean, you can do whatever you want to with that. So I gotta finish cutting this onion up over the camera. And yes, the onion is going in with the ramen. Use the whole onion. Struggle meal, right? Nah, hood meal. You know, kinda healthy. This habanero looking a little rough. But look at that. I don't like how that came apart. Either way, we throwing it in that pot. Hood meal. So all that's going in there. And then we got the chunk white chicken, and that'll go in the bowl. I'm not gonna put that in the pot. Drain the water out. The noodle's still cooking, so we gonna do a cut. All right, so the noodle's been cooking for a little while. Clearly, I don't think they're ready, but we gotta get the rest of this meal going. So, take this cut up stuff, habanero. Just a little bit, not all of it. And some onion. Yeah, get that onion up in there. Might as well just throw it all in there. Freestyling. Want it to all cook. And usually I don't. But I'm trying something different today. And it should come out fine. And I'm gonna wanna drop it in. Sheesh, close up the top. And that's the next step. Now I'm doing the garlic and the jerk, and it's going in this bowl right here. So I say a spoon of garlic. Yeah, this is a lot of garlic. That's a lot right there. But I like garlic. And it's good for you, they say. And then some jerk. Throw that in the bowl. Get it, you know, whisk it if you want to use that word, such a word. Mix it. Now, I've never done jerk and garlic in such a manner for ramen, but should be pretty good. And yeah, I got a dish. It's not full of dishes, but you know, it's some dishes in the goddamn sink. Some cups. I could have washed them, but this is a hood meal. Sometimes it's good to have some cups in the sink. Means somebody live in your house. You're not a robot. And we got one more onion piece. Throw that in there. It's almost ready to come out. So I'm not a big fan of using the flavor packet because of all the sodium that's in it. But I will use it. But see, my whole thing with the flavor packet is I'm not going to add it in the water till, you know, like it's time to actually have the dish. And that's my philosophy on it. All right, time to take a look. Get a feel for it. Pull that up. Don't that look nice and healthy and, you know, colorful instead of fucking pizza pockets and some bullshit like that? So because I think it's almost done, it's time to add the spinach. And you know, it's 2 cups of spinach for 1 serving. That's 4 grams of protein, which is real important. Some people will try and put lettuce in their shit. Like, guys, spinach is superior. It's superior. And yeah, you gotta eat it when you get it. But this is it right here. Spinach, spinach, spinach. Baby spinach, whatever. Spinach, spinach. Hood shit. Healthy. Not that lettuce. Lettuce is garbage. Niggas who eat lettuce eat ass. That's how I look at it now. If you're a grown man eating lettuce, you probably eating ass out here. You never seen Popeye, nigga? Like, never? Popeye went out there eating lettuce. That nigga was eating spinach. He was eating spinach and trying to get that olive oil. So you probably can't see it, but there's quite a bit of steam coming off of it. I got this bag right here, and you can't see it because it's water vapor. So there's really no good way to show you. I guess I could put like a piece of glass or something right there. But we ain't got time for that. The point is, when you're cooking with water, see, now you can see it. And you want to move it around a little bit. Hood shit. Remember, this is hood. This is the most hood shit you can do right here. You know, actually have some vegetables with your goddamn ramen. Nothing crazy. Just that old school hood shit, you know, before rap music and the drug epidemic, excuse me. You know, hood all the way back, like back in the 20s and the 40s and shit. People think hood's like the 80s and the 90s and the 2000s. Nah, nigga. Hood go back before these, you know, all the fuck niggas that poisoned the black community or whatnot. This is some hood shit. I mean, you think you live hood? Like, motherfuckers eat like this in some Asian countries. And they be like really dirt, you know, straight up dirt poor. What the fuck? It's all about what you choose to eat, my guy. You better mix some fucking green shit in with that ramen next time you eat it instead of, you know, just fucking the flavor packet. If you can go to McDonald's, you can make this shit. Yeah, you might be eating this all week. You get a 12 pack and a box of this shit. Couple of eggs, you can eat all week. Every day. Gonna do for breakfast? I don't know, nigga. Have some oatmeal. Get some of this motherfucking. It's real chicken, my guy. You get 20 grams of protein for the whole can. So one protein serving is 10 grams. And I'm gonna use the whole can in this meal. It's 20 grams. And 2 cups of spinach is 2 grams of protein. So, you know, the more spinach you have, the more protein you get. Good for your muscles. Anyway, time to pull this out. And, you know, maybe you don't got tongs. You can use a fork, whatever. Looks nice and cooked. It's going in the bowl. I don't want it to be sloppy. Get a wider shot. Ooh, that shit is hot. Just water vapor. Hood shit, nigga. Hood shit. Yeah, it's a little messy. I'm doing this with, you know, one hand and I'm filming. So, get all that goodness out of there. Spicy goodness with them habaneros. Which may have lost a little bit of heat because they've been steamed and bathed in some water. And again, usually I wouldn't do it, like put the habaneros and the onions and whatnot in the water, but some people are afraid of eating raw vegetables. So for the purpose of this video, I cooked them. Now we're almost done. We're gonna take the basket out. You know, if you're feeling it, and get the rest of that out. And I'm gonna use this ladle right here and pour some of this water in there. Now, unfortunately, my water has been tainted. But, you know, it's a product of cooking it. Get some of that vegetable broth, whatever you want to call it. I'm doing a terrible job filming. I'm not getting a whole lot of water, but you don't need a whole lot. And I'm gonna turn this off to the best of my ability. Now, here's the crucial part right here. Gotta get this chunk white chicken in. Oh. $20 grams of protein for a 5-ounce can. Then, if you really feeling it, you add the flavor packet. And if you're paying attention, we're gonna go with more water. Unfortunately, I can't pull a whole lot out at once, but yeah, more water. Unfortunately, the water is a little starchy because I didn't rinse the noodles first, which is a thing. Same thing like when you cook rice. It's gonna be a little starch in it. Now, give it a toss, but we gotta go for a cut first. Alright, for the final part of this hoodness, I'm using chopsticks to mix the food. And some niggas, you know, hood niggas out there, they'll use a fork. Like, nah, bruh. Chopsticks is super hood. You gotta remember, like, hood just ain't the United States or where you live. It's all kinds of hoods out there. And their shit could be more hood than your shit. Just cause your house dirty don't mean you a hood. Just cause you eating bad don't mean you hood. You can be hood and eat good with a clean house. Not that, you know, I mean, I definitely need to clean this motherfucker up. There ain't no question about that, but chopsticks are hood. And any real hood nigga out there knows how to use chopsticks because they done ate it like whatever carry out so many goddamn times. So there you go. Some people like to add boiled eggs to this, and I guess I'll do it. More protein, although they're full of cholesterol. Get that cracked. Don't want any eggshells in your food. Unless you like, I don't know, you're into eating eggshells. Watch me struggle to peel this boiled egg. Standing at a weird angle near the camera. Man, I can't believe some people do this shit with one hand. Like, shout out to all you one-handed cameramen out there. Shout out to all the one-handed people, period. You know, like actually only one hand. Nigga, you think your life hard? They got one hand. They don't even got two hands. They got one. Some people out there got no arms. Good grief. Oh, see, I'm fucking up. It's not that I didn't boil it well. It's that I'm not peeling it well. The sound of the fryer boiling the water is throwing me off a little bit. So not the best looking egg peel ever, but got one more. Come on, get a good egg peel for the YouTube video. This one's a little better. It's a lot better, actually. That's not good. Oh, no. Ramen. It's gonna be good. It's already spicy. Here we go. First time peeling an egg on camera. Not the best. I could do it easier if, you know, I wasn't at this weird angle. Boom. And there you go. Some hood shit. Can't forget your black pepper, though. Now, usually I like to have cilantro or something, but I ain't got none of that. So, yeah, hood meal. Boom. Good eating, hopefully.